Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your name in Township. To change your name on Township game, first of all, open out the Township application on your mobile device and make sure that you're in this homepage. Now, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner, and from your profile, tap on Edit. Inside Edit Profile, tap on the pencil icon right next to your name and enter a new name in the text box and click on Confirm. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your name on Township. Your new name will be displayed in your profile as you can see it on the screen. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.